The Russian Pantsir missile system, also known as the SA-22 Greyhound, is a formidable force in modern warfare, embodying a combination of advanced technology, mobility, and firepower. Its alternative name, Carapace, suggests the impenetrable armor of a turtle, highlighting its defensive strength and resilience on the battlefield. The Pantsir missile system operates on mobile, ground-based platforms and is designed to counter a wide range of threats, including aircraft, helicopters, drones, and precision-guided munitions. It is equipped with both surface-to-air missiles and rapid-fire cannons, providing a layered defense against aerial targets. This surface-to-air missile system has been adopted by numerous countries, including Algeria, Brazil, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Libya, Oman, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Slovenia, Syria, the United Arab Emirates, and Vietnam, demonstrating its impressive capabilities and effectiveness in modern warfare. The development of the Pantsir system began in 1989 by Russia's KBP Instrument Design Bureau to replace the aging 2K-22 Tunguska system and introduce advanced capabilities to defend Russian ground forces. The collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 altered the system's purpose from safeguarding airfields, missile silos, command centers, and communication arrays to serving as a short-range defense for the Russian ground forces, complementing longer-range air defense systems like the S-300, S-400, and future S-500. The finalized Pantsir design was unveiled in 2003, marking a milestone in the system's development. The Pantsir missile system features sophisticated radar systems that enable it to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. Its engagement capabilities extend to both short-range and medium-range air defense, offering a versatile solution for defending key assets, military installations, and populated areas. Capable of engaging up to 4 targets simultaneously, the Pantsir efficiently handles complex scenarios involving multiple aerial threats and can swiftly react to and intercept fast-moving targets. The Pantsir missile system boasts formidable warhead and range capabilities. Equipped with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead weighing 44 pounds, it delivers a devastating impact on its targets. Different variants offer impressive ranges. The Pantsir S1 reaches up to 12 miles. The Pantsir S1M extends to 19 miles, and the advanced Pantsir SM pushes to 25 miles. The system's primary armament includes the 95 YA-6 series missile, with improved variants 95 YA-62M for medium altitudes and 23 YA-6 for shorter-range options, while export versions utilize the 785 kHz 57E6 missile with an enhanced variant 57E6E. Its secondary armament includes 2 dual 2A 38M 30mm autocannon guns for close-range defense against penetrating or low-altitude targets. The Pantsir can engage targets within a firing range of 3,937 to 16,561 feet using its missiles, and can engage targets flying at altitudes ranging from 49 to 49,000 feet. With its missiles, the Pantsir system can engage targets within a firing range of 3,937 to 16,561 feet, and with its guns, it can effectively engage targets within a range of 656 to 13,123 feet. The gun's altitude engagement capabilities range from ground level up to 9,842 feet, making it suitable for countering low-altitude threats effectively. The Pantsir missile system stands as a testament to Russia's technological prowess in air defense, with its global adoption and ongoing service since 2003 underscoring its effectiveness and versatility on the modern battlefield.